Hello Mzansi, rumor has it that the first girlfriend, Uvuyo, who is the mother of Vuyokazi, is pregnant for the second time and she is expecting their second baby with Unompumelelo Umusa Mseleku. The first girlfriend, whose name is Vuyo, has posted a picture of herself, and people noticed that her belly was a bit bigger compared to her older pictures. We all know that, you know what, she is gifted, she is an African lady, but she always had like a belly. But this time around, it looks, I know, bigger. I don't know. Can you spot the difference between her older pictures and this current picture posted on her Instagram stories? Congratulations are in order. I mean, after all, Unompumelelo Mosamseleku can afford, because, you know, these days, you know, he is bowling. He is a media personality. He is a soccer player. He owns a security company, and he recently bought an apartment. We saw that on his reality show. And he is also expecting another daughter or a son, because the second girlfriend is also pregnant for him. So he is living up to his father's legacy, Umaflo. Till I see you again. So we'll just go ahead and say that Vuyokazi is allegedly pregnant until proven so. But this picture right here, I don't know. It is not make sure. Bye bye.